She get me aroused. I'm telling you, it happens so often.
But there is such a major update that I have to make because they're not just doing this for attention on TikTok. They are pregnant. Yeah, look.
I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I got my mind made up.
Yeah, just settle on that for a second. Really, really feel it. This couple is about to be mom and dad.
So last time he was trying to tell our story, how we met, I didn't let him. I interrupted him.
I'm sorry, the way that she's talking. And he's 26. That's right, 26. If you were in your 20s, that voice.
And I interrupted him.
That voice should be reserved for people who you are not romantically interested in and Miley Cyrus. But when I saw this, I couldn't believe it. So I looked them back up to see how everything was going, and I found some things that are very interesting. By the way, obviously, you might at this point be thinking, Cooper, do you think she's actually gonna give birth? Do you think that she's pregnant? No, it's a surrogate, I know. And I'm gonna say something crazy here. From the outside, it's still insane. Especially with the context of, in my last video, I highlighted this part of their story. The time that they met. In the original video, when sitting on the couch talking about how they met, they say this.
My very first job, her son was my boss. She would always come up there and get food and speak to everyone there.
Now, this is very, very important because what he explicitly says is that while he was working for Cheryl's son at a gas station, he was working for her son, and he says that she would always come up to get food and speak with everyone.